Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up or configure your Zoho mail on your computer. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to set up your Zoho mail, you just simply have to open any of your browsers. Now, after opening any browser on your computer, just simply search for Zoho Mail Download and then click on the Download Zoho Mail Desktop app for Windows, Mac, Linux option. After going into the site, it will show the Download for Windows button here. Click on that button. Now, you just simply have to select whether your Windows is 32-bit or 64-bit. Just simply select that, and then your setup file of Zoho Mail will successfully be downloaded. After downloading the setup file, just simply open that file and then install it by clicking on the Install button. Click on Finish, exit this browser tab, and then open your Zoho Mail desktop application. Now, click on the I understand the risk button. Now, you're all set to proceed. By following these very easy steps, you can easily configure or set up Zoho Mail on your computer. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.